Hello there, welcome to another episode of BushCraft Build. So in today's video, I'm going to be leaving this base to build a new base. But this time, I'm going to make a tower. This is going to be a wooden tower using dead sticks in the area. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. So, let's get started. So instead, we're going to use this as a shovel. It's not the most effective shovel, but it's better than nothing. So right now, this is pretty much a river type of area. During the winter, this place floods in. So that's why the ground is kind of muddy, so it's really easy to dig. I suggest when finding a base, you do the same, because trying to dig on normal ground is an absolute pain. So when you're digging, be mindful of the worms and other animals in the soil. When you're digging the top layer of soil, which is going to be darkish like this, make sure you only lightly take the soil away. Don't pound your stick in, because then you're going to kill the animals. Once you get to the clay, which is going to be yellowish like this, then you can start hitting your stick, because not a lot of creatures live in the clay. Pretty sure none at all actually live in it. So, just one piece of advice. So right now I'm at the clay. So this is the yellowish parts. So I found the most efficient way to dig is you hit it a few times, and then you bring your stick in and press it up. Now because it's wet, it sticks to the stick. And then you just bring it on the land and you curl it to get the clay and stuff to come off. So now that I got the post set up, I'm going to cover it in with clay and then cover it in with soil. So I'm just going to wrap it around 3 times, pulling it really tight. And then I'm going to go over through the gap. Make sure you keep the tension on the string. So make sure it's nice and tough. Like that. Like so. Nice and tight. Lots of tension. I'm going to start by tying it off with a simple knot. Then I'm just going to go over, trying to attach this side, this horizontal log, to this vertical log. Go 2 times in this direction, maybe 3. And switch over. Make sure you always keep tension on the rope. Just transfer it between hands. There we go. This is done. Stand on it. And get a good view of everything. So, there we go. I've completed my half-done tower. In the next episode, I'll probably add in 2 more pegs and add in a ceiling, which I could later climb onto. If you guys have any tips, techniques, or anything like that on BushCraft, I'll really be happy to hear them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.